girls, welcome back to the channel. This year we're restoring the home, bringing order, peace and beauty one clean at a time. So if you love practical elevated home decor cleaning and organizing tips, then hit that follow and like button and let's get started. So today we are restocking, cleaning and organizing the refrigerator after just coming home with our groceries. And to me guys, cleaning isn't just an option but a must, especially for the space that carries our everyday lives, even with kids, messes and real moments. And I know as moms guys, I mean if you're not if you're not careful, you would end up just despising cleaning, especially when you have kids, because we all know that messes and kids are like 5 and 6 because of the fact that, you know, most times when you clean, they go ahead and mess it up, but that shouldn't persuade us from not cleaning, guys. So cleaning is like, I feel like when you have kids, you should double down on your cleaning routine, right? Because like it's a must. It's better for me, it's better that I clean and organize and then they mess it up than not doing it at all. So today we are tackling the refrigerator. As you guys can see, our refrigerator is a complete mess. So when I came back, I didn't just want to put whatever it is I brought home back into the refrigerator. I decided to go ahead and give our refrigerator a good clean. And I know that, you know, if you're single and using your refrigerator, I mean, when you clean it and organize it, it's going to remain the same, right? It's not going to get messed up. But when you have kids, you know that once they get into the refrigerator, is either they spill juices or they spill something, or there is it's always just something, guys. So of course we're going ahead to clean out the refrigerator. As you guys saw, I went ahead and I vacuumed. I used my handheld vacuum to vacuum up all the mess, all the crumbs, you know, in the refrigerator. And next I'm going ahead with this what is this called again? This is a steam, right? A steam shot. It's from Belle. And my God, like if you have spills and junk in your refrigerator, going ahead, as you guys can see, like going ahead to use the steam, look, you see how that just dissolved and like it just melted off whatever like stain I had on that refrigerator in literally seconds. So I love to go ahead with my vacuum up all the crumbs, go ahead with my steam out all the dirt, and then I go in with my detergent or my cleaning solution. And as you guys can see, I love to use my Dawn spray and also my Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy. Those are the two products I use. I just use them to scrub the refrigerator. And then over here I'm using my microfiber cloth to go ahead and just wipe out all the soap, you know, all the cleaning products I use to clean the refrigerator. And as you guys can see, everything looks so good. At least now the refrigerator is clean for probably, let's just say, for maybe 2-3 weeks, and we have to clean it again. So for me personally, I love to go ahead and clean my refrigerator probably once a month or sometimes once in 6 weeks. It all depends on how dirty, you know, the kids get the refrigerator. Unlike if I was like, let's say we don't have kids and it's only me and hubby, you know, I know that the refrigerator is going to remain clean all the time. But yeah, our kids, they are a blessing, and we have to, I feel like when you have kids, you have to double down on every single thing. So once the refrigerator is ready, I'm not sure why my tongue is twisting today. I'm having tongue twists today, but yeah, once the refrigerator is ready, I went ahead and I added this drink organizer right here. This is so perfect, you know, especially if you're the type that love having drinks in your refrigerator. It just helps to make sure everything is nice and organized. And then we're going to proceed to our fruits and veggies to clean our vegetable. Like I love to use distilled vinegar. It's like the best thing to use for your fruits and veggies, and it leaves it with this very nice taste that I absolutely love. So I went in with my cucumber, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some paper towel because of the fact that we just cleaned the cucumber. So of course it's going to have a little bit of water in it, so lining your organizer with a paper towel is very, very necessary. So of course I went ahead and I'm cleaning out the grapes. We're just going to quickly clean out all the fresh vegetables, add them in their organizers, and of course every single thing you guys see me use in today's video or in all my videos is always first linked on my shop LTK page under at Omabelletv, or you can just quickly click the link in my description box to, if there's anything from this sieve, to my organizers, to the vacuum, the handheld vacuum, anything you see in my video is always first linked on my LTK page and also in my description box. So definitely try and check that out.
'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give.
If you know me well, you know I love practical, aesthetically pleasing, and elevated lifestyle, guys. So basically, when it comes to organizing, as you guys can see, I'm transferring the drinks like the orange juice, the cranberry juice, the milk into a uniformed container because of the fact that I love the way it looks. And also secondly, I'm able to see exactly, not that the containers they come with isn't transparent, but I just love the way this looks. It gives the refrigerator a very nice, clean, aesthetically pleasing, but also at the same time practical look. And of course, to make sure that I'm not just transferring the drinks into these containers and not knowing when everything expires, I always love to go ahead and put all the expiring dates on the bottles. So as you guys can see, I have the cranberry juice, I added the expiration date, and then the milk and also the orange juice. So that always makes it easy so that as we are using it, we know exactly when it's supposed to go bad. But listen, if you have kids, if you have kids that love food, that drink is probably going to last maybe 2-3 days and it's all done. So just putting that what is it called, that date, that expiring date is just for necessity, for people who do not really drink that much. But listen, my kids, those things that I just added to those containers, probably, let's say at most 4-5 days, those are all gone. But anyways, you guys, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and I added all my condiments on my Lazy Susan swivel container, and then I added up all my fruits and veggies in the refrigerator. And then here, these my chobani, the Greek yogurt, and also some fruit cups. The kids, they love the fruit cups. And my mom she loved the chobani yogurt, so I added those. And then my tomatoes, and then on this compartment I'm adding all the bread, all our Hawaiian sweet rolls, all the bread goes in this compartment. And the other compartment, I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining of my veggies, my apples, and lemon.
I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made?
If you're loving this video, kindly hit that like button below. You guys know that, hitting the like button is kind of an encouragement. I mean, we're not asking for much. Just hit that like button below. And if you love organizing, if you love cleaning, if you love home decor, if you love self-care, if you just love everything that encompasses a homemaker, guys, definitely definitely hit that follow button, because I have a lot, guys. Like, I don't know, over the years I've been excited for like the new year and what's to come, but this year I'm just so intentional. Like, I took a few, I would say a week, to really assess my brand, and I'm so happy with what is in store for you guys this year, guys. I'm just so, like, I can't wait. Like, we are gradually rolling out, we're gradually, dishing out the content this year, but I'm so excited. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, of course you can't leave your leftover food, guys. So I went ahead and I made rice and beans today, so I went ahead and I added my rice and beans into my storage container. And then over here, you can't forget your fridge and freeze odor eliminator, and that is basically it, you guys. As you guys can see, the refrigerator is ready, it's clean, it's practical, right? It's all about being practical, guys. I love being practical. So it's practical, but also it's very elevated. Like, there's no way you will open this refrigerator and not feel happy every single time you open it up. Like, there's just this happiness that comes with having a clean and organized space, and I'm so ready for us to get back to the beauty of our home this year. So definitely stay tuned, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Love you. Bye.